guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So as you guys already know by the title and the thumbnail, yes, I am going to cut my hair, and this is the first time I'm doing it, so I'm very nervous. But yeah, this is what I want to do because I am actually bored with my long hair. And also another thing, I don't let anyone touch my hair, just one person, and he's Devashista. You guys already know, I told about him in my hair color video, like 2017 hair color video. So যদি ভিডিওটা দেবাশিসদা দেখে, he's gonna freak out. He will be like কি করছে এই মেয়েটা, but yeah, I really want to do this. And also I know I have seen so many videos, like almost 50 videos on YouTube how to cut your hair. I'm also following Brad Mondo's tutorial, not a full tutorial because I don't want layers, I just want that shape cut. So if it's not good, I will ask my brother to trim the edges with the trimmer. Not going like this, I am going this much. So let me just quickly brush my hair and then we'll start with the sectioning. Oh, I forgot to turn off the background light. So you can see the difference it makes. Okay, so let me just grab my comb because I forgot. Just going to apply a little bit of this serum. I am that person, whenever my friends used to cut their hair off, I was that person who used to freak out. I used to shout at them, but I know when they will watch this video, they will be like, what the hell, what the hell, what she's doing. I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. First, I'm definitely going to comb my hair. I have stopped using tangle teaser. I feel tangle teaser actually is not that great for my hair because I have wavy hair and it always makes it look really worse. I don't know, it's just me or someone else. I have used tangle teaser for 3-4 years, 3 years maybe, but yeah, it doesn't work for me right now, so I've stopped using it. And guys, I'm just going to show you how much hair fall I get. So here you can see. Guys, if I mess it up, please, I'm sorry. I know there are so many people who loves my hair. Final hair fall, let me show you. Final hair fall. So this is every day. not bad because I have wavy hair. It doesn't matters that much, but I do have slightly long hair in this side which I'm going to cut. So guys, this is my new hair. I mean, it's not even, but still it looks good. I have just curled up my hair a little bit, and yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm also going to mention 2 videos which I actually followed for my haircut. And guys, if you like this haircut, give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also share it with your friends and family, or you can definitely ask your sister, brother, mother, father, whoever you want to help you in this. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.